How to use Wise app for freelancers, beginner guide. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Wise app as a freelancer to receive international payments. First, download the Wise app and create your account. You'll need to verify your identity with basic documents. Once your account is approved, go to Account Details. Here, Wise gives you local bank details for different currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, and more. This means you can send your US clients your US bank details even if you don't live in the United States. When a client sends payment, the money goes directly into your Wise balance. From there, you can convert currencies at low exchange rates, send money to your local bank account, or use the Wise debit card for business expenses. You can also create invoices directly inside Wise, making it easier to bill clients professionally. The key advantage for freelancers is lower fees and faster international transfers. And that's how you use Wise as a freelancer to receive global payments. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more business and finance tutorials.